Hello and welcome to another video on the Skripting tutorial channel. Today we're going to be looking at GUIs and in particular vanilla GUIs. Basically a GUI or GUI as some people would say is kind of like this. Players will be able to click things, and what we're going to be doing today is make it so a player can open a GUI and click a button or click an item and it'll click them. So let's get right into the code. We're going to do command slash GUI trigger, and then this is the new syntax we're going to be learning. Set GUI to chest inventory named GUI. Okay, so this is creating the GUI. Set slot. I should do yeah with we'll do with one row. You can specify the number of rows there. Name GUI. Set slot 4 of GUI. So this variable contains the inventory, the GUI. Sets up 4 of GUI to stone named click me, and then we can open GUI to player, and we're also going to be using metadata. GUI will do opened GUI of player to main, just to keep track of where the player actually is. So now if we go back in game, reload the file, type in GUI, it'll open up a GUI with one row, and look, we specify this stone click me. So now we're going to be able to make allow the player to actually click this stone, and it'll kick them. So on inventory click, and then we can just carve this. If metadata open GUI of player is main, so if they are in this GUI, and then if clicked slot is 4, so if they've clicked on this stone, we'll do kick player due to shouldn't have kicked me. So I shouldn't have clicked me. And then we can clear this because it won't be in the GUI anymore. We can clear the metadata. Actually, probably don't need this because we're already kicking the player, but I'm not too sure. So now when we do GUI and it clicks them, shouldn't have clicked me. Now we can join again and it'll be fine. So yeah, if you did find this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.